Understanding Boat Repair, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, boat repair. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, understanding such phrases is key to improving your English. So, let's dive in. Boat repair consists of two words, boat and repair. A boat is a type of vehicle used to travel on water, like rivers, lakes, or the sea. The word repair means to fix something that is broken or damaged. When we combine these words, boat repair refers to the process of fixing or restoring a boat that has problems or damages. Now, let's look at how boat repair is used in sentences. 1. After the storm, many fishermen needed boat repair services. 2. Learning about boat repair can be very useful for people who own boats. 3. The harbor has a shop that specializes in boat repair. In these examples, boat repair describes a service or activity related to fixing boats. It's also helpful to know similar phrases. Here are a few. 1. Car repair, fixing cars. 2. Home repair, fixing parts of a house. 3. Computer repair, fixing computers. Like boat repair, these phrases indicate fixing something specific. While we don't use phonetic transcriptions, remember that pronunciation is key. For boat repair, focus on clearly saying each word. Boat rhymes with coat, and repair is pronounced like repair. Practice saying it a few times to feel more comfortable. That's all for today's lesson on boat repair. We hope this video has been helpful in expanding your English vocabulary and understanding. Keep practicing, and don't forget to subscribe for more learning content. See you next time.